This is our dedicated sandblasting room at Project Heaven. We've got two types of blast media we tend to use. We've got crushed glass, which is basically recycled bottles and things like that, crushed to a small sort of sand. And then you've also got this other stuff, which is copper slag. I think the Americans call it black beauty. This stuff is much more aggressive. So when we're blasting the outside of a shell, like the doors and bonnet, things like that, we'll use the crushed glass, and we may also decide to shoot it at a slight angle, so we're not hitting it directly on the panel to help prevent warping. And then on the underneath of the car, axles, suspension components, the chassis, and when you've got thick undersear and stuff like that, we tend to use the copper slag. So in here we can accommodate an entire vehicle, and we can put it on a rotisserie, spin it over, blast it inside, outside, top, everything. So it's really good having this service in-house, because that way we can keep the cost down for us and the customer. We also can control the process completely, make sure we're blasting just the things we want to, and we can change the process if we need to on the fly. If there's a different substrate, like if we've got an aluminium car or a steel car, we can be very sympathetic about how we blast a vehicle.